Have you ever wondered how advanced Excel can boost your career? Well, let's dive into it. Advanced Excel is like your standard Excel, but on steroids. It offers a robust set of tools and features that can transform mundane data into insightful information. From accountants to project managers, it is used across various industries for tasks as diverse as budgeting, data analysis, and strategic planning. Understanding advanced Excel is more than just adding another skill to your resume. It's about making a significant impact in your career trajectory. Now, you might ask, what are the benefits of learning advanced Excel? Well, let's dive into that. Advanced Excel is more than just a spreadsheet tool. It's a powerful juggernaut that can handle complex data analysis, financial modeling, and intricate problem-solving tasks with ease. Imagine having the ability to sift through heaps of data and spot trends, patterns, and anomalies that others might miss. That's the power of advanced Excel for you. It takes raw data and transforms it into meaningful information that can guide critical business decisions. Moreover, advanced Excel can significantly improve efficiency and productivity at work. No more spending countless hours on manual calculations or data entry. With advanced Excel, you can automate these tasks, freeing up your time for more strategic, thought-provoking work. With advanced Excel, you're not just dealing with data, you're making sense of it, providing valuable insights that can drive decision-making. So, how can advanced Excel boost your career? Well, in many ways, my friend. Mastering advanced Excel can open up an array of job opportunities and propel your career growth. Imagine being able to analyze complex data, create detailed reports, or automate tasks with a few clicks. That's the power of advanced Excel. In this competitive job market, having this skill can set you apart. Employers are always on the lookout for individuals who can handle data efficiently. Whether you're in finance, marketing, human resources, or any other field, advanced Excel skills can make you a valuable asset. Just think about it. Who would you hire? Someone who struggles with data or someone who can effortlessly manipulate it to derive useful insights? The answer is quite simple, isn't it? In a world driven by data, becoming proficient in advanced Excel can be your ticket to career advancement. Ready to take your Excel skills to the next level? Welcome to CAD Nest, where our advanced Excel course awaits you. It's not just a course, it's a journey to mastery with our highly experienced faculty. We believe in a practical, hands-on approach, making sure you're industry ready by the end of your course. With us, you're not just learning, you're evolving. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll for our advanced Excel course at CAD Nest today and step into a world of exciting career opportunities.